That is what I love about Sydney. You know, glimpses of all international fashion just walking down the street. We're here at LANEWAY Festival, just went through security. They actually took off my selfie stick. They didn't take it. I'm like, I have to heal. So. What is your fashion tip for festival? Stay warm. It might be really hot during the day, but it does get hot. My tip is when you get warm, you want to go home. Comfort. You need to be really comfortable so you can like do this and have pockets. Pockets. All about pockets. Yeah.
My festival fashion tip is like wear something you feel at home in.
Yeah.
These things, but also push the boat out a little bit. Do something you would push the boundaries. Do something you would normally do.
Yeah.
Because you're at a festival.
Is this your expression of who you are?
I think so. I think so. It's like deep down, I'm a practical lad.
Yeah.
But I'm also a little bit silly.
I like that.
And that's what's going on. Grounded, hey.
Yes, that's what you wanted at
There's so much
festival.
room for activity.
You want movability.
Exactly.
Look at that. Yes.
We're here to let loose.
Deep squats go. Comfortable.
Confidence key.
Yeah.
Feel good, look good. That is what we need to know.
Cheers.
First, be comfy.
Be comfy.
Then start.
I've heard that a lot. Yeah.
But
Are you comfy in this? You've got a backpack too. Look
Fanny
at
pack.
that.
Fanny pack.
Fanny pack. Fanny pack all the way.
Always important.
And I'm just gonna. Oh. Hey. Love it.
Just like comfy, flowy, and like a mix of hip hop and just whatever.
I love it because this shirt is Tupac. Tupac. Sucks. Here at LANEWAY, what is your festival fashion tip?
Always wear a jacket. Everyone's gonna be like, why are you wearing that? You're so hot, but
Yeah.
you'll be cold.
See Hello Kitty. Very, very cute.
I always bring a jacket to Messi because it always gets cold at night.
Setting powder. That's a
Spray,
yeah.
like anything that's
Set makeup.
yeah, like just to last.
Yeah, you can't have that falling off halfway through. Your jumpy is majestic. It definitely caught my attention. Where is it from?
It's from Nine Lives Bazaar. They're like a small little boutique. I'm pretty sure they design all their own textile fabrics. So yeah, it's really lovely.
I like that. You matched it well with your earrings.
Thank you. Yeah, I sell these ones in my boutique. Yeah.
That's cool. So, for festivals, what is your like fashion tip? Like, what's your like
Fashion
go-to?
tip, I definitely prefer like a lot more colour, pops of colour, and pretty much it's like life's too short to not wear jewellery, so I can go all out in the jewellery. Especially like even going to the shops, like why don't you just wear that big hoop earrings? Why not?
That's
I don't
very
know.
cool. I like that. That's inspiring.
Yeah.
Festival fashion tip.
I don't know. I think just don't overthink it. Go with what feels right in the day.
Be into the jewellery. Be yourself.
Anything I like, I wear. I try not to have a preference. I try not to look at it too much. If I like what I see, I'll wear it.
That's
If it looks
awesome.
well, if the colors match, if I like it, at the end of the day, that's what I
That's like inspiring,
Yeah,
right?
thank you,
Like
thank
that's
you.
what I think that everyone should do, and it's so cool that you feel that way.
Thank you.
Just be yourself.
Exactly.
Be yourself. Adjust to the weather.
Yeah.
Not like me.
All black. Okay. So, the bathroom lines are always an interesting place. I found these two hoodies in orange. Why did you guys choose orange?
Like the sea is my favourite colour. It is her favourite colour.
Favorite color? Color of the season?
I just like a bit of a 70s vibe.
Do you think that is the trend of the season?
Yeah.
Poppy on the way out from Laneway. Her Uber is in 1 minute, so let's make this interview quick. She's in all green. I love it. Green's my favorite colour.
Thanks, bro.
What was your inspiration for this?
I just wanted to wear trackies. I was just feeling it.
I love that.
Yeah.
It's like, trackies are quite a
I
massive
want to wear matching, so I was like, yeah.
So good. I think you've absolutely nailed it today.
Thank
What
you.
was your tip for Laneway or any festival? What's your like tip?
Dress funky. Dress cool. Wear something funky.
You have definitely, and I'm pretty sure that's your Uber there.
That's my Uber.
Thank
Bye,
you so
guys.
much.
Thank you.
Bye.
See you, bye.
2018, what kind of trends do you think are going to be in the Sydney fashion scene?
A lot of well-made items. I think a lot of people are turning towards more quality over quantity, which is really cool. Because a lot of people are just consuming a lot of items and they just run through a lot of items. People sort of appreciate spending